I wanted to show you all a video on how to get to the Quaver recorder songs because I know you all really like playing along with those. So after you've logged in, which if you need help logging in, please see the video about how to sign up for Quaver. But once you're in the screen, you're going to see this. If you want to change your avatar, you just click on it and click change avatar. And that's the screen where, it lets you choose different hairstyles to put on your avatar and whatnot. But anyways, then you'll see a student tab. When you click on that, you're going to see this screen. Now if you click on student interactives, you're going to have lots of different categories to play around with. But specifically to get to your recorder, you're going to click recorder. And the neat thing about this is it has a fingering chart to go over where you put your fingers to get different notes. Like if you needed a review, how do I play high C? And click on that and they're going to show it to you. Another neat thing is just the different songs that you know, like the double A songs. If I go click on that, I'm able to see the music up on the screen and you can play the track with the recorder when you press it, just like you do at school. If you need any more help, just let me know. All right, see ya. Bye.